the trick to solving any meowdoku puzzle is to look for single color cells first. So based on the board, we could see that gold at the upper right is a single color cell. So we place our first cat there. Then we cross out the row, cross out column, cross out potentially adjacent cells. And with that, there's a resulting single color cell, which is the red at the bottom. We place our second cat there, cross out row, cross out column, cross out potentially adjacent cells. Then pink can be seen only on the second row. So we cross out other colors on that row and cross out potentially adjacent cells. With that, there's a resulting single color blue. So we place our third cat there, cross out row, cross out column rather, cross out row, cross out potentially adjacent cell. Then we have a single color dark green there. So we place our fourth cat, cross out row, cross out column. Then on the second column and third column, there are only two colors there, yellow and purple. Therefore, any yellow or purple outside those two columns should be crossed out. And with that, we could see here that on the fourth column, only brown can be seen. So our brown cat should be on the fourth column. So any brown color on other columns should be crossed out. Then on the second to the last row, we could see that that's where we can only find the purple cell. So any other colors there should be crossed out, and potentially adjacent cells should be crossed out as well. Well, for the brown color, we cross out potentially adjacent cells like that, because whichever we choose among the three brown colors, those in the middle, those adjacent to the middle will be touching whatever cat we will be placing on that brown color. Then we could see here on the sixth column that there's only one uncrossed cell, which is the pink cell. So we place our fifth cat there. Then we cross out any cell touching our fifth cat. And then, so this is the tricky part. Okay, so if we're gonna place our cat on the green one, so let's try it here. Excellent. All right, so we cross out row, cross out column, cross out potentially adjacent cell. With that, we have one remaining brown. We place our cat there. Then we cross out the row. Then we play on the yellow. This is our yellow cat. Then that's our